In this example, we're going to draw a rectangle that has a specified length and width, and then compute both the perimeter and the area of that rectangle. To start, we're asked to draw a rectangle that has a length of 5 centimeters and a width of 3 centimeters. So taking our ruler, we'll go to the side with centimeters, and we'll mark off 5 centimeters for that length. So going from 0 to 5, and then we'll turn this rectangle at a 90 degree, or this, not this rectangle, excuse me, we'll turn this ruler at a 90-degree angle and form our next 3 centimeter measurement. And I'm fixing it right there. So on the end of where I drew that 5 centimeter measurement, I'll draw 3 centimeters, a length of 3 centimeters, so I'll go from 0 to 3. And at this point, I formed the corner of my rectangle. So now I can go and draw my other 3 centimeter side length. And then after that, I'll turn that ruler again at a 90-degree angle and form that last side length. And that last side length will be 5 centimeters. All right, now that I have my rectangle measured out, I'm going to move my ruler out of the way, and now I'll label those side lengths. So I had the width of 3 centimeters, so I'll mark 3 centimeters over here. And I had a length of 5 centimeters, so I'll also label that off. Okay, now in computing this perimeter, the perimeter is the length around any two-dimensional figure. So with this one, I know that I have a side length of 5 centimeters, a side length of 3 centimeters. I'm going to highlight those here. So 5 centimeter length, 3 centimeter length, another 5 centimeter length, and then finally that last 3 centimeter length. So writing that out, my perimeter, which I'm going to denote with P. So I have 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus my 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. And this is going to be a length, so the units will still be centimeters. And total, I have 8 plus 8, which is 16 centimeters. Summarizing that, the perimeter of the rectangle is then 16 centimeters. And the units are really important here. Notice that I have 16 centimeters. That's a one-dimensional length measurement. Coming to our area, this is going to be a two-dimensional measurement. So I'm looking at how much space is in here. And so if I come up, I'm going to measure this off in 1 centimeter increments. And I'll just kind of grid it out. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 forms that edge length. And then I'll measure out on the other side as well. Bring my ruler up and mark off 1 centimeter increments again. So I have 1 here and 2 here. Okay, so that's gridded off, and visually I can see that each of those marks off a single square centimeter. That area, I can count those off, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And I can see visually that that area, which I'm going to denote with A, can be computed by taking that 5 centimeters and multiplying by 3 centimeters. And the units then are square centimeters, which I can see visually. And so 5 times 3 is going to give me 15, and those units are square centimeters. So I have 15 square centimeters. So the area of the rectangle is 15 square centimeters. And again, noting that those square centimeters are a really important unit because this is a two-dimensional measurement.